Do you know what's changing the way people work? AI. The same tasks that used to take hours now take just minutes. That's why I use AI every single day. If you're still avoiding AI, you're giving other people a head start. Learn it now, use it now, and stay ahead while others struggle to catch up. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI. Don't wait until you're left behind. Start today and let AI help you work smarter, grow faster, and create more.
The video you just watched was created in less than 10 minutes with AI. Yes, was created in less than 10 minutes with AI. And this video was not created using Grok. It was not created using Google Flow. No, it was not created using other stuff. It was created using a platform that I don't think most of you know yet, but this platform is very powerful and it's doing a great job. So in this video, I'll be reviewing this platform for you and how you can use it. And I believe that very soon, this platform is going to replace Grok. Because when I went through the features of this platform, let me tell you, it was really amazing. So I don't want to bore you with too much talk. We are going to be diving in right away. To get started with this platform, the link to this platform is in my description. Click the link in my description so that it will take you to the AI platform we are going to be using for this video. So guys, let's dive into it. Once you click the link on my description, it will take you to this place. This is the home page of the platform we'll be using to create our AI video. So once you look at it, you say create viral UGC videos and ads with AI in minutes. So if you just scroll down, you see a lot of everything that they do and all. So I won't be spending much time here so that we can go and create video, because you need to watch video so that you not miss any part, because the interface can be kind of confusing sometimes. But if you are able to watch the video, you are going to learn how it works. The first thing to do is to register. To register, just click on this three and podcast menu here, click on it and scroll down. When you scroll down, you either see login or sign up. If you don't have an account, just for you to sign up, put in your email, then they will send an email verification code to your email. Use the email to verify and you log in. So I already have an account with this. I'll be clicking on login. This is login here. I just click on login, and this is it. This is the interface. This is the interface. So what can you do with this platform? This AI generator, you can use it to generate AI image, AI videos, talking head videos, UGC videos, AI advertisement videos. So all those advert videos that you see everywhere, you can use it to generate all of this kind of image. So now to start generating your image, let me just show you something here. All this image was image that I created myself. So first of all, you can use it to create image. Let me show you how to use it to create image. Once you click on this place here, you see UGC character, UGC add video, that is advertisement video, UGC video, and UGC image and UGC videos. These are the things that you can use it for. So for example, let's say we are creating our image. We want to create an image for this platform. So just back it up, because if you come in here, you are not going to meet any image because you have not created an image. Just back it up. Then this is where you can create your image. And also let me let you know that once you create an account, you'll be given 30 points here. You'll be given 30 points here where you can use, which you can use to create your video, generate your image. But if in case you want to increase your points, at the end of the video, I'll also show you how you can increase your points. So guys, to generate your image, you just click on this place that says preference and product image, or this place that say add character. That is if you already generated the image before. So if you're just starting from scratch, or you already generated image that you want to generate, maybe you want to generate an image, your image, and you want to generate image of yourself sitting in an office, just click on upload, then click on this upload here. Let's say if this is my, which image should I use? Okay, let's just say for example I want to use this image sitting. I'll just click on, once it's finished loading, just click on save and the image will be here. Now you can put in your prompt, like I want this person to be sitting in an office and all of that. And once you have created once you just write it, write everything you want to write. Let me just see if I have any prompt here. Control C, Control V, boom. So I already then just over here you put the resolution, if it's the aspect ratio, if you want it to be in 19:6, 16:9, and all of that. This one is for YouTube. Maybe you are creating content for Facebook, TikTok, you can use for Instagram, but this one is for YouTube. Or you can use one by one. And you click on it and come to display, click on create, generate, and you are going to be using just only one credit to generate. So I won't be generating image. We are focusing majorly on video. Yes, video. So now to create video, it's just as simple, but make sure you follow my step, because if you don't follow my step, we might make some mistakes. So follow the step I'm about to show you. There's something that if you miss it, you might end up wasting your credit. So what you have to do, just click on this place here. You click on UGC videos. Just to back it off, and over here you can upload your image. Yes, you can upload file. So for me, I want to use this image of this guy in an office. You're going to open. The next thing you're going to do is click on save, and over here you put in your script. I'm coming. I want to remove this image. Let me use another image. Upload. Okay, let me use this one that the person's on the car. We will open. You can save. Then now we are going to bring in our prompt. Yes, since we are animating, we need to put what we want the person to say. I already have my prompt. I'll just paste it in. Now I already have our script, our image. Now pay attention to this. You see this place that says sound effects. Make sure you always on it, because when you started, sometimes I might just forget to put this sound effect, and when I create the video, the sound, even the person will not say anything. It will just be you doing hand interaction. It will not say anything. So make sure you always on it. The sound effect, make sure you always on it. Then over here is where you put it if you want it to be 16:9. If it's just as I explained in the image section, then put it 1080p. You can either increase it or reduce it. Now I'm going to put it in 10. Yes, and the credit is 10. The credit you're using is 110. So you just have to know how to manage your credits. Let me leave it at 9 credits, which is we're using 99 credits. Yes, so that is it. Then we click on generate. Once we click on generate, we are going to give it some time to generate our image. So our video has been generated, and this is it over here. So now let me play it.
AI. Don't wait until you're left behind. Start today and let AI help you work smarter, grow faster, and create more. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI. Don't wait until you're left behind. Start today and let AI help you work smarter, grow faster, and create more.
So just like you can see here, these are all the scenes that I have generated here. Look at it here. I generated up to 3 different scenes with this platform. Now to upgrade your point, because like I said earlier, once you create your platform, once you create your account, you'll be giving just only 30 credits. Yeah, just only 30 credits. To upgrade it, just click on this upgrade, and you see all their plans and you see here. So over here, this is their creative plan, where you have access to 300 credits per month. Yes, if you pay $9.500, you have access to all this one. Look at everything that you will have access, up to 30 character, up to 200 image, all of this. So also here, this is also their monthly. No, this is also their monthly plan, where you have access to 1,000 credits, and this is everything you have here. Here, once you pay, you will have access to 6,000 credits. Yes, so this is actually for the monthly plan. That is if you want to do a monthly plan with 50%, that is why you have 50% off. But if you want to be doing every monthly plan, you can just click on this place that says monthly, and you see their actual price is very more expensive to me. So I will always advise, if you want to just go for the year plan, where you go for 9.5, and a year is $114. Understand? Yeah, so just make sure you read everything here, and you can actually have access to this platform. So guys, this is actually how it works. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be ready to give answers to all of your questions. My name is Wise. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.